held a teachers workshop which was all around bringing the teachers together and for ECG to talk them through the plans that we've got for African Scene and what we have for the next 2 to 3 years with the teachers.
Something is going on here.
Competence-based education has transitioned from teacher being an instructor to being a facilitator, and the way that is learners-centered approach. That actually, if you look at what we're doing today, talking about the 5 A's, the teacher comes at number 4, where you elaborate. So you start with the students being engaged, and then you allow the student to learn on their own.
Unlike the teachers in the public schools, the teachers in informal settlement, Kaibira and Kangemi, have very minimal opportunities for competent training, the tooling of competency-based teacher education. And this training was very important to try and empower them in competency-based education and also in competency-based assessment.
And also in the afternoon we had focus groups where we had a set of questions rotating around lessons planning, around digital literacy, and just going through the CBE challenges just to get more information from the teacher.
Today we basically wanted to have a person-to-person engagement with the teachers, first to understand them, to get to know their background, to know how they are implementing the competency-based assessment. And the other thing that we really wanted to know is to know the level of their competency.
What does this program, the STEM training and the Edu-Global program constitute of? What is it in it for us? You know, what is it bringing for teachers? And when I understood the goal, I can see there's a big, the goal is bigger than I thought, because the goal is so much linked to what we'd call quality and inclusive education.
We have to implement it and make sure it works, because it have got to know that hardship, since the pupils have to work instead of the teacher to do what? To do it.
Based on the experience we have today, based on what we have seen and learned from the teachers, it is clear that we'll have more workshops.
We still need more. We are still not yet there. The curriculum is very new to us as teachers, and we need to learn more, and we need a lot of follow-up support, like learn and get supported along the way.
What has come up is the need to help them in the improvisation of the locally available material to deliver a very effective lesson, CBE lesson. That is our desire, that is our plan in the future.